Waterproof your lighting system with Bounce LED. Australia provides some of the harshest conditions for our buildings and signage to endure. It's important to consider how well your LEDs are protected from the elements. All of our LEDs, drivers and components have what is called an IP rating. This rating is made up of two numbers. The first number relates to an item's ability to withstand solids, like dust and sand, and the second number relates to its ability to withstand moisture. The higher the number, the higher the level of protection. For example, our matrix panels are an indoor product and have an IP rating of IP22, where our Skyline module is an exterior grade product and has an IP rating of 67. With correctly rated components selected, the next thing to look at is the weather sealing of your wiring connections. Typically, this is achieved using heat shrink wrap. We also have a great alternative with the new Gelbox from WAGO. The Gelbox is a clip-together housing that creates a watertight seal around WAGO wiring connectors. The great thing about the Gelbox, like WAGO clips, is its flexibility. If you need to make changes, the enclosure can simply be opened up and re-accessed. Gelbox is available in 3 sizes: smaller units for double and triple connectors, and a larger option to suit 5-way connectors. Finally, for any areas in your sign where water could collect, it's a good idea to drill drainage holes to allow moisture to escape. It's also a good idea to make provision for drivers and mains power connection to be contained in a waterproof enclosure. This allows them to be well protected, as well as serviceable in the future. Contact the team at Bounce LED to discuss our range of externally rated LED products, as well as the new WAGO Gelbox for use in your outdoor signage projects.